Hello West Acton Primary School and welcome to Baking with Miss Wharton. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some yummy vegan flapjacks. For this recipe you will need
You don't have to use chia seeds if you don't want to, but they are full of fantastic nutrients.
Don't forget to rinse them first. Remember to wash your hands before you start baking. Try to get rid of as many lumps and bumps as possible. I'm going to fill my jug up to the line under 100 because 50 millilitres is halfway between 0 and 100. You don't need a sharp knife to cut raspberries. Always ask an adult for help when you're going to use the oven. Make sure you ask an adult before you use a sharp knife. Delicious! If you decide to make these at home, I'd love to see them. Email pictures to the school email address.